Adani stocks fallen by almost 20% in morning. This morning, the reason is bribery case against Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani, and there are some other counterparts also. They have been involved, and this been bribery case is filed in New York, that is in USA, and there has been allegation that no, they have given a bribe of almost 2,029 crore rupees. No, to the you can say the state representatives of government of Andhra Pradesh, and basically what they were doing is that no, they have given this bribery in order to supply their energy in for the future multi-year no basically purchase agreement is normally there, and that because of that, no, what happened, US has filed a case. Now you may say in US by क्यों file कर रहे हैं? The thing bribery is given in India, again just a talk going, I am not telling it has been proven, but the case has happened, means that whatever happened is in India, then why case is filed in USA? See, the thing is, no, basically Adani has taken money from US investors, okay, and whatever, almost $175 million they've taken this basically money to invest in India as a bonds and all that way, as a loan you can say, and to invest in India. Now if you are taking money from outside in from the other country, and the other country feels that okay, when you have given like no, when you have drafted given a draft and all that, based on what you got all this money, you are told there is a anti bribery rule ना, तो कि भाई हम लोग किसी को bribe नहीं देंगे, and when it will be going in a normal business only, we are not going to do any illegal activity. But now when this thing has happened, it has been seen that you are given a bribe. Okay, now this is what the US government, there everyone is feeling a boss, they have given a bribe, again not proven, and that case has been filed against that. Now what does it mean for us? See, what does it mean is that of course Adani has to basically represent their case. Now this case is going on, again it's an allegation, it's not been proven yet. केस अभी चलेगा, दलीलबाजी होगी, आई डोंट नो कितने महीने जाएंगे या साल जाएंगे, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, बट यस there will be an basic not negotiation, but the proper lawyers will represent, and basically case will go on, and then the final verdict will come. It is just an case is filed now, but based on that case also now Adani stock fallen by almost 20, Adani Port, Adani Enterprise, and so many, Adani Green and all that. नाउ एज ए इन्वेस्टर तो हम पजल हो जाएंगे ना भाई, अभी करना क्या है इसमें, ऑलरेडी वापस एक हिंडलबर्ग केस तो 1.5 साल पहले 1 साल पहले खत्म हुआ, अब ये नया चीज चालू हो गई, बट आई थिंक देयर इज लाइक वो ग्रह दशा अच्छी नहीं है अदानी की, कुछ ना कुछ आ ही जाता है अदानी के लिए तो एटलीस्ट. बट यस, द वे हिंडलबर्ग केस वाज सॉर्टेड, no commendable job done, but now again this new case has come. But we have to understand from the history कि क्या हुआ था history में, and if the same type of thing is happening now, again something again coming from US side only. now कुछ लोग तो बोलेंगे भाई ये तो जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं कि there is something पेपर, no something साजिश चल रही है इंडिया के सामने and all that stuff. We don't know what is happening. Okay, even the Hindelburg case also that thing happened. Now again to change the status quo of the government and all that, what is happening we don't know. But at the end of the day, if we have invested in Adani stocks, we have to be worried about it, correct? And this is in this case, no, you have to wait for the situation, what is going to happen. I think this 20% fall, whatever, again, the if I see the case, and no, in detail में थोड़ा मैंने देखा है, no counter that 2,000 crore rupees of whatever, no, between 2020 to 2024, in 4 years, they given this bribery. That is what the allegation is. Okay, now still need to be proven. Again, ऐसे तो अदानी छोड़ेंगे नहीं, वो भी वहां जाएंगे, no, they will fight the case and all that. But no, you have to understand one thing, that this type of thing normally happens in the corporate world. And as a investor, no, let us understand that what is there for me. I feel that no, if the stocks are falling too much, today only 20% fallen, again और नीचे जा रहा है, you should not keep your eyes closed. You can see the history in the past, like Hindelburg case में 60% जब अदानी stocks गिरे थे, how much it bounced back. No, whoever is invested at a low level have earned money. Now you may think that you are recommending. No, I'm not recommending. I'm telling that don't keep your eyes closed like you kept the eyes closed last time. Now, I'm not saying that Adani is not guilty or he is guilty and all that. That time will tell. That the verdict will tell. We cannot say anything. But you have to understand that normally the company don't go away in a day. Of course, you have to keep in mind that where the valuation is high, like Adani Green and all that, तो बहुत high है, तो वहाँ आपको careful रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि the case is directly relevant to Adani Green and Adani Power and all that. And because at the end of the day, 12 gigawatt of watt contract Adani got it. उनको सप्लाई तो करना है ना, इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट तो कर दिया, वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट रिन्यूएबल प्लांट वो लगा रहे हैं, तो भाई सप्लाई तो करना पड़ेगा, तो सप्लाई करेंगे किसको? गवर्नमेंट एंटिटीज को. ओके, नाउ इट इज बीन सेड दैट दे हैव गिवन दिस ब्राइब so that government entities buy this energy. Okay, again the cost of energy is very high, okay, per cost, and that is why government officials were not ready to take this no energy from Adani renewable, Adani Green, and इसलिए उनको bribe दी गई कि भाई वो multi year वो buy करे, and that 2000 crore rupees is been used in order to the continuous supply of Adani renewable energy to the government entities, or government entities through them they will send it to the end consumer. तो एट द एंड कंज्यूमर ज्यादा पे करेगा. अब ये बात आके रहेगी, एज अ कस्टमर इट विल बी इम्पैक्टिंग लाइक दिस. नाउ ऑल दिस थिंग आर टॉक्स गोइंग ऑन, नथिंग इज प्रूवन येट. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, नथिंग इज प्रूवन येट. ये जो अभी है, वॉट एवर द करंट सिचुएशन, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू नाउ, but market will always discount the what you said the worst possible. Okay, तो भाई अगर कुछ ना कुछ हो गया, and if the case has been filed and no US, New York, whoever it is, the US filed the case, they won this case, then of course no, it will be a big implication for the Adanis. But then also no, we as an investor you have to think like a rational investor. एंड लाइक वो कहते हैं ना कि अगर आपका स्टॉक अच्छा है, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, नाउ आई डोंट वांट टू गिव द नेम्स, बट यस सम ऑफ द pockets of the stocks in Adani, no, look are much more valuation where they are not related to renewable sector and all that. That type of company you can think about it. Okay, not giving the name and all that, but yes, where the things are much more in a control, much more fundamentally strong, और ज्यादा directly correlation नहीं है. You have to think in that way, no, instead of keeping your eyes closed, guys. Honestly, you have seen many times the crisis gives you the best opportunity to invest. नाउ यू में से नो अदानी इज करप्ट, अदानी के केस में क्यों इतने सब आ रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम, पहले हिंडलबर्ग, अभी ये पहले भी काफी सारे केस हो गए. अब वो हमें पता नहीं है भाई, अब वो क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं है, लेट द कोर्ट डिसाइड. Earlier also Supreme Court decided this Hindenburg case, whatever the issue was happened, no, it was just a propaganda and all that stuff, no, कुछ था नहीं, तथ्य वो निकल गया. अभी इसका भी क्या होगा हमें पता नहीं है. ओके, but no, once you are getting a good quality, fundamentally good stock at a very cheaper valuation, I think you should think about it. Don't keep your eyes closed. Keep an eye on this case and don't panic. Don't panic. रातों रात कुछ नहीं होता है. इतना टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं. कि आई एम गेटिंग फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग सो मेनी कॉल्स एंड मैसेज, भाई क्या करना है, अदानी बेच दे क्या, 20% डाउन है, ये क्यों बेचना है आपको, रुक जाओ यार. स्टिल वर्डिक्ट इज नॉट आउट, स्टिल इट विल टेक सम टाइम. Hindenburg went for I think months and months together. तो अब ये भी चलेगा यार. अगेन द केस इज फाइल्ड इन यूएसए. सो अभी कोई फायदा नहीं है अभी गोइंग इनटू डीप एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या केस था क्या नहीं था. It will not going to solve you purpose. Okay, now yes, it will impact the reputation of Adani, it will impact the future. If they want to have some funding, all that, it will be impacted, but that's the next thing you have to think about it. So overall, no, you have to be patient. Don't overreact here. No need to sell your stock if you're already having Adani. Now just you have to wait. ऐसा कर दो कि भाई थोड़े महीने तक देखना नहीं है, देख लो क्या हो रहा है. But yes, if it is available at very cheap, I think one should go and buy this stock, because history says that whenever there is a problem in the company, a company which can bounce back like this will be a good opportunity. Okay, so keep this in mind, guys. Just a short video to make you understand about Adani. Again, no judgment passed, but at the end of the day, we have to wait for next few days. and let us see the outcome. I'll keep you updated with few more videos once I'll get more knowledge about this case. But अभी तो आज तो पूरा red है. Everything is red, correct? All the stocks are Adani stocks have been 20%. Even though यार अभी ये महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन का वो आ गया एग्जिट पोल where the chances are that Modi coalition government may come into power again. Then also उसका कोई impact ही नहीं है because Adani stocks has fallen. That is bringing the complete Nifty down. But again, that election result we are going to get it on Saturday, so we have to wait till then. So उसका तो impact आएगा संडे मंडे को. But ऐसे भी महाराष्ट्र से इतना बड़ा impact नहीं आने वाला था 100-200 पॉइंट का. अगर ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग अगर ये अदानी का नहीं होता तो मे बी निफ्टी कुड हैव ओपन 200 or 250 points up. But the problem is the last few election, whatever this exit poll is coming, that is not coming correct. Okay, उनका prediction बिल्कुल ही wrong जा रहा है. And that is why market is not having a faith. Okay, then instead of pinch of salt, you have to take a complete tub of salt. Okay, क्योंकि ये basically ना that is no one is having a faith on the exit poll what is coming. However, we have to see next time क्या होता है. But yes, keep this in mind. We'll see that in Sunday, Monday when the market will open. Saturday result आ जाएगा. Adani, we have to, today is Thursday, tomorrow also there is a working day. In 2 days, whatever price damage होने वाला होगा वो हो जाएगा. तो keep this in mind. But what I told you, don't forget that, guys. Don't keep your eyes closed. Nothing is going to collapse overnight that we have seen in the past. And if you are getting a good opportunity, I know you may be feeling क्यों ऐसा बोले, लेकिन देखो यार, at the end of the day आप तभी कमाओगे जब आपको बहुत ही अच्छा स्टॉक नीचे ले. But again, not related to green energy and all that, and other asset class in Adani, you can think about it. Okay, so thank you very much for joining, guys. Hope you like this. You do like it. And what do you think about Adani? You have any Adani stocks or not? Put it in the chat box for sure. And guys, this Sunday we are going to have a special session. Okay, workshop. Do attend it and do check our Telegram channel also. It's free. Do join it. Okay. See you then. Bye bye.